Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If your Chrome bookmarks bar looks messy because of long bookmark names, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to make bookmarks icon only in Google Chrome. That means you will see only the website icon without any text. This makes your bookmarks bar clean and gives you more space. So first open Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Now make sure that bookmark bar is visible. If you don't see, press Ctrl Shift plus B on your keyboard. The bookmarks bar will appear below the address bar. Now go to bookmark. On the bookmark bar, you want to show icons only, and then select edit option. Now in the name field, erase everything and then click on the save. Now you can see that only website icon is visible and the text is removed. You can repeat the same steps for other bookmarks to make your bookmarks bar look clean and organized. This method works in the latest version of Google Chrome and takes only a few seconds. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.